Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use Mentimeter for an interactive presentation. You can basically build a presentation that is going to mix content slides with interactive slides such as polls, word clouds, quizzes, scales, and question and answers, as I showed you in the previous tutorial where we basically created like a leaderboard for a question. Now we're going to create a new presentation in here, and the first thing guys is you need to define your objective, right? Do you want to do like a feedback presentation, like a brainstorming, assessment, different things? Because depending on that, you can either start from scratch, import slides, or even start with AI to build a presentation, and save you some work. Regardless of that, you're gonna have to create some slides here. So let's just click in here. And to make it, interactive, you usually want to add like some content slides, such as, images, videos, things like that, okay? And, you know, this kind of rankings and things like that, okay? So that's what I'm gonna recommend you do. Also, if you want to do something that is more engaging, I would recommend that you use like a template in here, okay? Or you can even start with AI and ask for a specific style. That's gonna make sure this is very interactive. And then after you share and complete the presentation, the last thing is gonna be sharing. Okay, sharing and presenting. This is very important, okay? Because with the presentation mode, you're basically gonna be able to interact in real time with the presentation. Thank you so much.